This is my 2005 Junkyard bought Chrysler Crossfire. I saw it at the Junkyard and decided, man, this is a pretty too nice of a vehicle to be junked. So I decided to pick it up. So far, what I've done to it is to get it road ready. I picked up a couple of new tires. I replaced a bent rim. I'll show you. On the passenger side, I replaced the front rim. It was bent. I replaced that relay that everybody solders that prevent it from starting. I had a code, an emissions code that I was getting, and it was one of the relays in that relay box that everybody solders. The headliner was falling down. This was an easy fix. I just picked up some material off eBay and took out the headliner and re-glued it with this new material, black. It was originally this color, this beige type color, or off-white, and replaced it with the black headliner. Easy fix, and put it back up. Had to check engine light when I got the car, and I had to get it to pass New Jersey State inspection. So the code that I was getting was from an EGR valve, which I replaced back there. I replaced the EGR valve. This relay that sits under this box was throwing another emissions code, and it's also, the relay that everybody solders for the starting issue that sometimes these cars have. But trying to get this thing off with one hand. Let me see, hold on. All right, I got the cover off, and I replaced that the relay box that's down here. I forgot what you really call it, but this whole thing comes out, and people solder. If you look on YouTube, you see people solder the 3 little pins. Instead of that, this relay was so cheap, I just said I'll just buy a new one, and I got it from Standard Auto Parts. That's out, well, not out here, but not too far from here in Long Island City, Queens, New York, for only like $40, $42. Replaced it, that erased that emissions code that I was getting, and the same, and also, solve that starting issue, even though I didn't have that issue, but I was pre-maintenance for that. The other thing I did, I had to replace this idler pulley. For some reason, it was the belt was barely hanging on here, and this idler pulley was split in half. But that was relatively easy fix also. And then I just did my basic tune-up, change the spark plugs, change the oil, filters, and the car has been running fine ever since. This is my Junkyard Chrysler Crossfire, and we'll see how long it'll continue to last and give me no problems for a while. It has a couple of dings in it, as you can see, some scratches. Probably I can buff them out. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but otherwise it's been a pretty decent car. It runs good. It's makes good power for what it is. This is the bare bones basic model, 6-speed, cloth interior. None of the fancy features of the limited. the limited edition or any ones that are higher than this. And that's about it. Another project for the winter, along with my other projects that I've been stalling on. But we'll see. I'll get caught up.